In today's video, we will be reviewing Sticky Notes. Sticky Notes is an amazing tool provided by Surefront in which you can leave comments within an item's product details page. From requesting a different color or changing pack sizes, I will be showing you how to relay that information to your supplier. Let's get started by heading to our left menu panel and selecting a department or category. You can access Sticky Notes in Projects, Quotes, or Orders, and for today's example, I will be using Projects. I'm going to click into an item's product details page. Once the page has been redirected, select a supplier to view under the Quotes section. Here, you can leave any changes you would like by selecting a section on the details. Request to change the color or adjust the master pack. Anything can be applicable to this item. A Sticky Notes section will appear on the right, and the toggle is there if you would like to send a message to your supplier or to your team member. You can tell if you are writing to your team member if the sticky note is highlighted in black. Otherwise, you would be writing to your supplier. Sticky Notes are now available in Quotes and Orders. Proceed to click into any task you are working on in Surefront, and for additional questions, please feel free to reach out to support at the top.